Hi everyone, and welcome back. This is Kangs. Yeah, today I'm with my friend. He came to visit me all the way from UAE, and yeah, we decided to take a road trip, at least for him to see around Muscat. And one of the most interesting place, if you visit Oman or Muscat to be specific, it's Al Amarat Road, which is a road that you have to drive through mountains, and not only through mountains, it's on top of mountains because you have to drive way up to the top of the mountain, then you have to go down on the other city. It's a road that goes between the mountain or on top of the mountain, and it connects two towns. One is a city, Muscat City, and the other one is a town called Al Amarat. So yeah, I'll show you around. As you can see, once you are in this place, it's called Muscat View. And the reason as to why this place is called Muscat View is because once you are here, you can be able to see the beautiful city of Muscat from almost all of it, like almost all of it. You can see it well, and especially if you come at night, it's usually have a better view because of the skyline, the lights, and everything. Yeah, it's usually very beautiful at night, and also during the day, it's as well very beautiful. As you can see, you can see in all the Muscat city, each and everything. I think it was it's in a very strategic. So I'll show you how we got here, and we drove all the way. It's like 5 minutes drive, and the whole video is here. So starting from now, you'll see how we started the drive. So basically this we are approaching the mountain. That's the mountain in front of us, and we have to take its is it, should we say zigzag or spiral? Yeah, it should be, let's say zigzag, because when you're driving up the mountain, you cannot go straight up the steep hill, so it goes like an S or Z. It's zigzag or spiral or whatever. Not spiral because it's not going around, but zigzag I think is better. So we drove all the way. If you go watch the video up to the end, you'll see how beautiful it is. And in case you be driving here, if you decide to come to Muscat and you'll be driving here, if you are driving a manual car, okay, by the time you start the mountain, you have to engage the low gear. Of course, if you be driving here, you are a driver, you know. So mostly if your car is in good health, you can do 1 2 3. Those are first speed, second speed, third speed. I think that's the maximum you can do when you are going up the hill and down the hill, depending on how powerful your engine is. And I think the speed is maximum 80 kilometers per hour, but if you are driving automatic, well, the work is much easier because you don't have to do much, just pressing the gas and yeah, moving. But it's a steep hill, or it's a steep mountain, because driving way up for 5 minutes, it's not a short journey. So you have to make sure you have enough fuel. Your car has good brakes, especially once you are going down. You need to have very good brakes, and of course make sure your engine is in good health, oil, coolant, so that, because you don't want to start climbing and then your car overheats. Okay, so at least make sure that those three things are there. You have enough fuel, your car have good brakes, and you have coolant in your car. So because it's a steep hill and you don't want your car to overheat. So we drove way up, and now here we were going down. As you can see, the other town, that is Amarat, on the other side, and we really enjoyed. I am my friend, he enjoyed the trip. It's a nice view. I think once you see it from with your own eyes, not from the camera, it translates to something else, which is more beautiful, and I mean something you want to do it again. Myself, I've been here for more than 20 times and I never get enough. So this was end of it. So we just got to the town that we call Al Amarat after going down the other side of the mountain. And yeah, that was it. We ended up our trip with a nice good rafter after holding fingers when you are going down the hill. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and share. Thank you. Goodbye.